Okay, this is the final BTS behind the scenes for our Vancouver Heritage Home renovation. This is a transformational reno where we gutted the house, transformed it from a heritage home into this stunning west side masterpiece. One of the big things that we did was to add in a rooftop deck. Why? Because of that. So the reason why we added a rooftop deck to a heritage home was because of the multi-million-dollar view that it unleashes. From the second floor, it was pretty good. The master bedroom, you'll see it. But when you bring it up to this level, it's amazing, magnificent view at a whole different level. And what we did was purposely design the roof structure so that it doesn't obstruct in any way. From a 360 degree, you get everything. But the real view is 270 degrees from the east side mountains overlooking into the downtown, and then you got the English Bay waters and the North Shore Mountains. This is magnificent, and it's very hard to do in a heritage home because of the structural upgrades that we have to do, but it's well worth it. So this is the master suite, but it was not like this when we first got started. We actually took over this project from another designer and renovator. And when I first saw the layout, it just did not make sense. This is the master suite of a high-end west side home, and it had a 7-foot closet. That just did not work, and we could not let that happen to our clients. So we suggested, well, let's take this oversized master ensuite to resize it a bit, still give you all of the features of a luxury ensuite, but by very good space planning, we reclaimed some space, design a walk-in closet so that the walk-in closet can be the hers closet, and the regular straight closet, we extended it and that became the his closet. The other part of this is that there's this really weird function, but a beautiful window here capturing the downtown view. So we had to emphasize it, and we did that through wood paneling, accenting it, and we defined the two space by having these two ceilings come in play so that you can define the spaces separately. And on the one side you have this nice seating area, but then on the other side you have this vaulted ceiling which centers on the bed. And to unify the whole space, we added a light trough with an LED, gives a perfect glow at night. So this is the master ensuite that we replanned for him so that he gets the extra walk-in closet. But you can still see all the luxury features and amenities are still here. You have the long counter with the double sinks, full walk-in shower, 0 threshold, a private toilet room, and a large freestanding tub overlooking the view towards downtown. So our client spared no expense. He wanted a high quality build to match the high quality design. One of the things that you can tell that this is a uncompromised build is the mitered corners that we put in these porcelain tiles. It meets right in the corner, and that gives you that full slab look, although it's a tile. And you see that throughout this ensuite, throughout the house. So one of the very important things about this house is how to bring in natural light. This was a turn-of-the-century home, 1908, and typical to that era of home were small windows, boxed in, and not much natural light. They're dark and dim and gloomy. So our challenge was to bring in natural light, and one of the key things that we did was bring in a skylight, actually double skylights, right in the middle of the home and punch it through not just to the second floor, but also down into the main floor. That's why you have this opening in the hallway, so it brings light down to the kitchen and great room space. Not only does it act as a light tunnel, it also doubles the width of the corridor, so it feels very spacious. Alright, so this is the main floor. And remember, this was a turn-of-the-century, old character home, small windows, dark, not much walls, and look what we've done here. We've opened up the entire space, have a light tunnel coming down through so that the middle of the house is nice, bright, and airy. And a part of that important design is to open up the staircase. So this is a floating set of stairs supported by structurally laminated glass. That's actually what's holding up these freestanding floating stringers and stair treads. And that's an important thing. It was hard to execute, And you've seen it in our previous BTS where we showed you how it was done, but it's well worth it because now you can see all the way from the living TV room, from the dining, all the way through to kitchen and the backyard. So this is what makes it that wow feature once you open the front door. So when you enter the front door, there is this beautiful block of millwork, which is actually a concealed closet. Lots of closet here. There is no mudroom in this open plan, but this more than makes up for it. And then behind it, it actually acts as a TV wall to this living area and this dining area, which is open to the backyard. And we are open towards the kitchen. So this is an entirely open plan, really good quality of light coming through. We've got this great room with this centerpiece, three-sided fireplace and exotic marble on there. And you're open to this huge island, which is perfect for entertaining. So this is the basement level of the home, and doesn't look like a basement suite, does it? Because we didn't design this to be just a rental suite. It could be converted easily, but the idea is, how do you create this space so it's versatile? You can have this as a guest suite, you can have it as a second entertaining type of kitchen. We put a bar, and we designed this whole kitchen to feel more like a bar so that we can have this as an entertaining space. There's a beautiful patio connected to the outside, and then towards here you have a family room, and at the back you have 2 bedrooms that you can easily use as a guest bedroom. And one of the things that we really wanted to do in this whole house was to bring in natural light. And that's why we have patio doors all alongside, and even that room over there has huge light coming in. Let's go see it. Okay, so here is the basement bedroom, which could be used as a guest suite. And really, basement is not the right word for this because this is a garden unit here. You have straight access to the front garden, a nice patio outside the back, opening to these beautiful patio doors. Nothing but natural light comes in here. So in the exterior, we actually didn't do too much. This is a heritage home and we wanted to keep that character in itself. We did update everything. We added new trims, replaced the windows, improved the whole roof system because of the additional rooftop deck that we added on. Definitely structural upgrades, but we kept the character the same. We definitely improved the walkways and the landscaping though. The front yard we improved and created more of an intimate private yard space, the back patio, and also the walkways up to the house. Everything was aged, so we improved that. But overall, we kept the exterior character intact. So I hope you like following us on this BTS tour of a heritage Vancouver renovation. If you are doing a renovation yourself, it's a complicated one, we are the ones to call. Make sure you call us and we'll help turn your dream renovation into reality. At VictorEric Design+Build, we create amazing spaces.